What's up, guys? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen. Everybody has been asking me, dude, Mark, where are your Mark's Kitchen videos, dude? Mark, I don't know what to cook anymore because you really haven't put out any videos lately, dude. We're back in the kitchen. We're back making videos. Let's do this. Today, what we're gonna be making is one of my favorite spins on the good old classic chicken wing. One thing has to happen. They gotta be crispy. No, I'm not talking just like, man, these are kind of crispy. No, I'm talking crunch crispy when you bite into those wingies. 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 It's gonna be real now right there, alright? Here's what you need to get started making up those baked wings. You may be like, you're baking these, how can they get crispy? I don't get it. I am gonna make sure that y'all get the crispiest wings in a healthy way without frying them. We're gonna start by seasoning these wings. 1 teaspoon garlic powder and 1 tablespoon baking powder. Just pour it on the chicken. Stir it around. Make sure this is evenly coated. I'm gonna spray this with oil so it doesn't stick and simply place the wings on the racks. Wings are going in the 450 degree oven, 45 minutes. When the wings are done, this is what we're gonna be tossing them in to get them real nice and flavorful. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, 1/8 tablespoon white pepper, 1/2 tablespoon onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of the red chili flakes. We're gonna thinly chop about 5 bulbs of this green onion. Then we're gonna crush a few cloves of garlic. That garlic, baby. Then we're gonna add 1/4 cup avocado oil. Now we're ready to toss this in a pan. Hear it sizzle, baby. And we're gonna continue to stir. We're gonna add the spices all throughout this oil. Mix it up. Look at these chicken wings. Just hear that? It's called crisp, baby. Woo! Now we're gonna toss all these in here. Toss them up. That is beautiful. Garnish a little bit of green onion, a little bit of cilantro, just a little bit of lime juice. Woo! Look at that mountain of chicken, boy. Let's dive in. I want you all to hear this crunch. These are just so good. You can change this up. You can throw some buffalo sauce on these. You can throw sriracha on these. You can do whatever you want with these wings. Thank you all for tuning in to this episode of Mark's Kitchen. And you already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's Kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.